Hello, check this out. This is the unboxing of a USB 7 port hub with a power adapter, external power adapter. This is the USB 3 hub. I'm going to use it to power and connect two external hard drives, a Wi-Fi dongle, and a few cords. A really great product. You can see a link to buy this product at the description of this video. When you buy such a device, it is always important to see that it actually does support the USB 3 and it gives out USB 3 on each of its output ports. This simply clicks on. I've been using it now for about 2-3 days and the adapter doesn't get hot. Also the hub keeps its original temperature. Simply plug the USB 3 input and you got 7 ports of USB 3 for output. Really great device. I highly recommend it. A link to buy this product can be seen in the description of this video. It's really cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and to this video. Bye.